Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Jatin Vashisht, and today we are going to learn about Microsoft Whiteboard. Can we type in a different language in Whiteboard, and what are all the features in Microsoft Whiteboard? So let's see. So this is my Microsoft Whiteboard application that you can see on the screen. So let's create a new blank whiteboard by clicking on the add button here. And now this is my whiteboard. I have actually changed the background color of this whiteboard by going to the settings option, and then you can do a lot of things like you can clear the canvas, you can change the toolbar location, you can format the background, you can send this whiteboard as an email summary, you can directly post it to a team, you can save it as an image, and there are a lot of things that you can do. The most impressive feature that I like is ink to shape, which becomes really helpful for the teachers in the primary sections. So let's see what we have on the whiteboard. At the bottom of the screen we can see a menu. This is the first option that takes you to the inking mode, where you can see all these different pens, and there is a highlighter, there is a eraser, there is a ruler, there is a lasso selection tool, and there are undo and redo buttons. When you turn it off, you will be back to this menu where you can add text, you can add notes, you can add images from a particular library from Bing, you can search images on Bing, you can capture images from your camera, and then you can add different type of files here. You can add PDF, Word documents, and PowerPoint. So I'll be explaining some of the impressive features of Whiteboard. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to tell you is, can we type in Hindi on this whiteboard? So the answer is yes. As I've shown in my previous video where I have shown you how to type in Hindi on Microsoft Teams, the process is exactly the same. Click on this languages icon and you will see the list of all the languages. Out of these languages you can choose the Hindi phonetic language. Now the language is changed to Hindi and you can just type here, let's say आप सभी का स्वागत है. So now this is how you can type in Hindi using Microsoft Whiteboard also, and you can drag this text anywhere on the screen simply by drag and drop process. Now another impressive feature about Microsoft Whiteboard is that it can capture text from your Word documents or your PDF files or your PPTs. So let's have a look at that as well. Click on the insert menu button and then let's insert a Word document, and after you select a particular document, let's select a Word document. Let me just search for a document named as computer. Let me change the language first. The shortcut to access this menu is Windows plus space bar. So without clicking on the English button, you can just simply press Windows plus space bar to access the languages menu. So let's search for a document named as computer. Alright, couldn't find any documents, I guess. Alright, no computer documents here. Let's look in the documents folder. So this is the computer document that I was looking for. Let's select this. Now different pages of a document or a PDF can be inserted. So it says insert all pages, or you can also insert selected pages. Right now there is only one page in this Word document, so I will click on this Word page and then click on insert selected. Now the Word document is selected and I can again drag and drop it anywhere. Whenever you click on this document, you will see these different options coming onto your screen, and the most impressive one is the ink grab option, which captures the text on this document. So let's try it out. So now the whiteboard is grabbing the ink, and now you see that the ink has been grabbed here and placed on the whiteboard. So this is how impressive it becomes when you're using Microsoft Whiteboard. You can just use some more tools on it. You can choose a different color, you can copy, you can delete this as well. Now I'm going to show you something else. Let's go to the inking mode, and then I'll show you how the shapes can be automatically inked. So this feature needs to be turned on into shape, and while this feature is on, and if you use a pen and you draw anything here, any shape, so you see it automatically gets converted into a shape. Another impressive feature is the ruler. Ruler can be used very impressively to draw a line. For example, if I want to draw a line just parallel to this side of triangle, I can choose a pen and then a ruler, and then I can just simply draw a line like this, and then I can just place ruler somewhere else. I can draw a line parallel to this. So this is how you can use a ruler tool to draw straight lines. So these all tools make Microsoft Whiteboard a very impressive and interactive application. Another thing that I'm going to show you is you can search for images related to your topic that you are going to teach inside the classroom, and you can insert that image by clicking on the image menu and then go to Bing image. Here you can type the name of the image you are looking for. So let's search for human heart. Let's close this notification. When you search for these images, you will see multiple images coming onto your screen. So you can select any of these images. So let's search image. So I can click on this one, or I can click on this one. If you want to explain, you can select this image and then click on add. The image will be added to your canvas. Then you can simply drag and drop image anywhere on the screen. You can increase or decrease the size of the image, and then you can use the pen to annotate something on this image. If you want to explain something, the flow of blood in the heart, if you want to show that, you can just draw these arrows like this, and this is how impressively you can explain a diagram or an image or a graph or a map. So that was all about Microsoft Whiteboard. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Jatin Vashisht signing off. Thank you.